New day, new vlog. Grabe, na-miss kong mag-voice over kahit hindi nyo ako na-miss. Yan na nga, at this moment, nag-outfit check lang ako, ganda-gandahan. Andito nga pala ako sa balcony namin, no? Social ang lola nyo nga may balcony na. Soon, makakapag-house tour din ako, pero dito muna tayo sa kasal. And ito na nga, hinatid na ako ni tatay at ng mga anak ko. And then ito na nga, nag-iintay na lang ako sa mga kasama ko. And this is garden wedding. Hindi ko nga pala nabanggit kung kaninong kasal to, kina Mariani at Benedict. Bali si Mariani is college friend ko. Hindi ko lang alam kung friend niya ako. Bala ka na, be. Actually, super ganda, be. First na maka-attend ng garden wedding. And yan si pastor na yan na magkakasal sa kanila. And at that moment, nag-enter na nga ang entourage at hindi ako masyado nakapag-video kasi masyado akong malaya that moment. So, siguro, buti na lang na video ko. Bawal pang umupo dyan sa mga upuan na yan hanggat hindi nakakapasok ang entourage. At nakakatuwa yun kasi well-organized ang kanilang coordinators. Cute pa rin ni Little Bride kahit na humahagulgul na siya sa iyak. And ito na nga ang pinakaiintay natin. Malapit nang pumasok si Bride.
I love your voice. You have led me to the fire in the darkest night. You were close like no other. I've known you as a father. Know you as a friend, and I have lived in the goodness of God. And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so good. Every breath that I am able, and I will sing of the goodness of God. Your goodness is running out to me. Your goodness is running out to me. I lay down, I surrender now, I'll give you everything. Your goodness is running out to me.
So, umiyak lang talaga ako dito kasi hinarangan yung video ko. Charis lang. Sobrang nakakadala talaga yung kanta and then yung kumakanta sobrang galing. So, that moment, nag-worship na sila and then dumating na din si Leia. Stop muna ako sa voice over at panoodin niyo na lang to.
Sa harapan ng Diyos at ng mga saksi. Opo. Pwede nga sabihin mo na mas malakas. Opo. Palakpakan po natin si Lord. Ikaw naman, Mariani Rosales Vargas, tinatanggap po ba si Benedict Cuevas Loro bilang tunay na asawa sa harapan ng Diyos at ng mga saksi?
Yes po, Pastor.
Palakpakan po natin si Lord.
Marian, today is the day that I thought would never come. But what you said to me in the past changed me and assured me that I want to be with you forever. I don't know if you still remember, but you told me that no man should live alone. And that stuck in my head. Because of that, I made a promise to myself that I will do anything and everything in my power to be with you forever. Before God, our family, and our friends, I choose you. I vow to love you as Christ loved us, with patience, kindness, and forgiveness. I promise to pray with you and for you, to honor you and lead our home with faith and humility. With God as the center of our marriage, I give you my heart and my life. For this day forward and for all the days God gives us, I choose you as my wife and my forever. I love you so much.
Now let's hear.
Benedict, we met in the most unexpected way. At a time when I was at my loneliest. I was deeply hurt then, carrying pain quietly, because I was the kind of woman who believed she had to be strong all the time. The strong, independent woman who thought she could handle everything on her own without letting anyone in. And then there was you, a complete stranger who came out of nowhere. Somehow, without fear or hesitation, I found myself sharing everything with you. Every truth, every scar, every story, no lies. And you listened, not just to hear, but to truly understand. You listened without judgment, and you comforted me in ways I never knew I needed. Everything has happened so fast. You courted me, and I said yes. You proposed, and once again I said yes. And now, here we are, on the verge of becoming husband and wife. Even though it all moved quickly, I know without a doubt that this is one of the best decisions I have ever made. Because in you, I found more than love. I found a partner and someone I can truly trust. I believe with all my heart that you will be an amazing husband and a wonderful father to our future children. In you, I have found peace, comfort, and a sense of home I never knew I was missing. I am certain of us, of our love, and of the life we are about to build together. Ephesians 5:22-23 says, "Wives, submit yourselves to your own husbands as you do to the Lord. For the husband is the head of the wife, as Christ is the head of the church, his body, of which he is the Savior." Today, before God and all our loved ones, I vow to honor and respect you as my husband, following the path that the Lord has set for us. I promise to submit to you, not as a sign of weakness, but out of love, trust, and faith, because I know it is God's will for our marriage. Thank you for all that you are and all that you do. I look forward to spending the rest of my life with you. I love you always.
Ang singsing na ito ay binibigay ko sa iyo, baby. Bilang tanda ng aking matapat na pagmamahal, tanggapin mo ito sa pangalan ng Panginoong Jesus.
Tinatanggap ko. Ang singsing na ito ay binibigay ko sa iyo bilang tanda ng aking tapat na pagmamahal. Tanggapin mo ito. Isuot mo palagi. Huwag mong aalisin sa daliri mo. Pakita mo sa lahat na may asawa ka na. At ako yon.
Oo, tinatanggap ko.
May threat yun. Iaabot ko sa iyo. Pero dahil kayo'y one flesh, iaabot mo kay Mariani. And the chord, please. And the Bible.
Sa huli, palagi,
Pangalawang magulang. Yun po ang ibig sabihin ng ninong at ninang.
lagi kong ulitin, ipapalala sa'yo, ikaw ang panalangin, ikaw ang panalangin ko.
Palakpakan po natin ang Panginoon. Invested in me by the Republic of the Philippines and by the Jesus the Anointed One Church, I, Reverend Fortunato Niceto Inandan III, now pronounce you husband and wife. Let us now welcome Mr. and Mrs. Benedict and Mariani Loro. They are no longer two independent persons, but one in the eyes of God. What God has joined together, let no man separate. Dek, this is the time. You may now kiss your bride. Ito po ang kanilang unang halik bilang mag-asawa.
I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the
So while waiting, habang nagpipictorial ang bride and groom, syempre naman hindi magpapakabog ang ating ninyo para magpa-picture at magpa-video. Pero sa totoong buhay, hiyang-hiya na ako sa pinaggagawa kong yan. Congrats!
May friend kang vlogger.
So after nga no, nagpunta na kami ng reception area. By the way, kasama ko na nga pala dito si Ma'am Jessa at si Ma'am Leia. And while waiting kay Hazel, eto, nagpika-pika muna kami. Habang nakain kami, dumating na nga itong si Hazel. Niloloko ko pa dyan siya kasi sabi ko na late ang ninang. Tapos nakita ko si Rueli, siya pala yung host for today's video. Kaya naman super saya lalo nung wedding.
Mariani! Loro! Come on! Yes! Clap your hands! Alright everyone, this is amazing! Clap your hands!
Hindi ako masyado nakapag-video kasi ang ginawa namin habang nag-iintay is nagpa-picture kami dito sa photo booth. Hindi rin ako nagpahuli, nagpa-picture ako ng solo at sinulit ko yung photo booth mo, Yani. At ito yung isa sa nagustuhan ko sa photo booth mo kasi meron na siyang album na pwede kang maglagay ng message.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Mr. and Mrs. Loro. Ganaw, ganaw, kaway, kaway, tatawa.
So after ng program at mga picturean, diretso na kami dito sa Lapang area. At sobrang busog na busog ko and thank you so much, Shani. In-invite mo ko dito sa wedding mo. So pagkatapos nga namin kumain, nagpapasalamat lang ang bride and groom at pinalabas din kami kasi manonood kami ng fireworks.
Dapat dito ka ate. Bakit wala ikinasal? Dito. Saan lang ikinasal?
Buti na lang may pangalawa pang fireworks kasi hindi nakapag-video at picture yung bride and groom. So yun na nga, nagpaalam na kami sa bride and groom. Nag-video at picture lang kami ng konti dito. Sobrang ganda at sobrang saya ng wedding. Thank you so much, Mr. and Mrs. Loro. Congratulations and best wishes.